So for this, Dr. Kempner, he took 106 people who were all morbidly obese and had over 120 plus pounds to lose. Out of that number, the average weight loss of that group of people were 63.9 kilograms, meaning 141 pounds. Out of 106 people, the average weight loss was 141 pounds. How many of us tried diets out there and haven't even got close to losing 140 pounds? I did tons of diets and I wasn't even close to that. I was begging if I could lose 5 pounds and not gain it back within a week. But not only that, normal weight was achieved by 43 of the patients, meaning 43 of the patients stuck to it, they committed to it, and they also was secure in that decision by doing it. So they knew what they were doing was helping them, and they started upgrading their knowledge also. So by doing those three things, the commitment, the security, and having the upgrade by understanding what they were doing, 43 people were able to achieve normal body weight and still live a happy, healthy life, meaning they never gained the weight back.